If you had to pick just one form of exercise to do for the rest of your life, science actually has a clear answer, and it's probably not what you'd expect. It's not running, it's not yoga, it's strength training. And if you've never touched a weight before, this video will walk you through exactly why it matters and how to start without feeling intimidated by a gym full of people who look like they know what they're doing. Let's start with why strength training matters so much, beyond just building muscle. As you age, you naturally lose muscle mass. This is called sarcopenia, and it starts as early as your 30s if you're not doing anything to counteract it. This isn't just about looking fit. Muscle is directly tied to your metabolism, your ability to move independently later in life, and even your blood sugar regulation, since muscle tissue is one of the primary places your body stores glucose. Losing muscle over time makes everyday tasks harder and raises your risk of injury and chronic disease. Strength training also does something remarkable for your bones. When you lift weights, you're placing stress on your skeleton, and your body responds by increasing bone density. This is a huge deal for preventing osteoporosis later in life, especially for women who are at significantly higher risk. Research consistently shows that resistance training is one of the most effective tools we have for maintaining strong bones as you age. Now let's talk about what beginners actually get wrong. The biggest mistake is overcomplicating it. People assume they need a complex program, expensive equipment, or hours in the gym to see results. In reality, beginners see the fastest strength gains of anyone. This is sometimes called newbie gains, and a simple, consistent program will get you real results faster than an advanced routine would for someone experienced. So where should you actually start? Focus on compound movements. These are exercises that work multiple muscle groups at once, giving you the most benefit for your time. The core ones to learn are squats, deadlifts, push-ups or bench press, and rows. You don't need to master all of these on day one, but building your routine around these movement patterns is far more effective than isolating single muscles with machines. If you're brand new, start with just your body weight. Body weight squats, push-ups, and rows using something like a resistance band or suspension trainer are excellent starting points. This lets you build proper form and confidence before adding external weight, which matters more than people realize, because poor form with heavy weight is where most injuries happen. Once you're comfortable, you can progress to dumbbells or a barbell. And here's an important principle called progressive overload. This means gradually increasing the weight, reps, or sets over time. Your body adapts quickly to a fixed workload, so consistently challenging it slightly more than before is what actually drives strength gains, not doing the exact same workout indefinitely. Frequency matters too, but less than people think. Research shows that strength training, just 2 to 3 times per week, with rest days in between for recovery, is enough to see significant results as a beginner. You genuinely don't need to be in the gym every day, and honestly, recovery is when your muscles actually rebuild stronger, so rest days are just as important as training days. One more thing worth addressing: the fear that strength training will make you bulky. This is one of the most common myths, especially among women. Building significant muscle mass requires years of dedicated training and a specific approach to eating. It doesn't happen accidentally from a few sessions a week. What you'll actually notice first is more energy, better posture, and a stronger, more capable body, long before any dramatic change in size. So here's how to actually start this week. Pick 2 or 3 days you can commit to. Learn proper form on the basic movements: squats, push-ups, rows, deadlifts, either through a trainer, a reputable YouTube tutorial, or a beginner app. Start light, focus on form over weight, and progressively add more challenge as it starts to feel easier. That's genuinely the entire formula. It's the consistency over time that produces the results, not the complexity of the program. If this video helped simplify strength training for you, hit subscribe for more evidence-based fitness and health content. And let me know in the comments if you're just getting started or already have a routine you love. See you in the next one.